Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my second unboxing for August and it is Glossybox. And this is how it arrives with my dress on the front there. I haven't long come back from a week away in Ibiza, so I don't know what the contents are. I haven't had a look online yet for any sneak peeks, but I'm sure this was a previous, Let the Sun Shine. I'm sure this was a previous Glossybox. So maybe they're doing that again. Usually you get a pink box with Glossybox on the front, but now and again they do send you out some previous boxes. But yeah, I love that one, but I'm sure it was a previous one. I don't know, I can't remember, to be honest, because I've been unboxing Glossybox for years and years and years. This video is in collaboration with Glossybox. You'll find links to the subscription down below in my description, as well as a refer a friend code, which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. The cost of the monthly subscription is £13.50, including shipping. So with the £5 off, that brings it down to £8.50. Every box has a minimum value of £50, and you've got the option to go for a monthly rolling subscription or a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I subscribe to Glossybox myself and I usually put the boxes up on Instagram for a giveaway, and there is a giveaway currently running and I think it runs out around the 15th of August. You'll find all details down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside their August box. Oh, it's been tossed around a bit, look. Oh, it smells really, really nice as soon as I open it. I'm looking for a QR code and I don't think I got one. I'm just making sure that it's not stuck in the worms. Oh, it smells amazing. I've got all the products here, look. There's 6 products. Oh, I wonder if it's the Rituals. I've got a Rituals soap. I wonder if it's that. Yeah. I love Rituals. Rituals is such a smelly brand. It is really nice. And I've just put lipstick all over it. Okay then, so this is the Ritual of Karma, and it's a soap bar, white lotus and white tea, 40 grams soap. This is gorgeous. This is such a gorgeous smell. It's really nice. Now, I don't know if you know, but I've got a little bit of a weird obsession with not opening soaps. These are fine, they're in boxes, but if this was packaged in a gorgeous paper wrapping, especially if it had like a little tie, then I wouldn't be able to open it. Or I'd have to, obviously, I'd have to show you. But if I wasn't on YouTube and I didn't have to share it with you, then I would just leave it. How stupid is that? I've got loads of soaps from all over Greece and I can't touch them because they're just so pretty. I just love the paper packaging. It's a waste, isn't it? But it's a souvenir, I suppose, but it's a waste. But yeah, these I'm fine with because they're just in a box like that. So yeah, handy little soap. Take away with me when I go anywhere. And these would have been handy to go to Ibiza as well. I got a duo, a shampoo and conditioner duo from Espa. And this is Bergamot and Jasmine. And they're 40 mils each here. Again, a gorgeous brand and really nice smelling brand as well. But what can I say? Richly fragrance with the finest pure essential oils. The shampoo naturally cleanses and leaves hair smooth and shiny, suitable for all hair types. And yeah, the conditioner as well. Let's have a sniff. Got body washes and lotions in this scent. Yeah, it's nice. A weekend use. It's only small. 40 mils isn't going to last you long, but you know, if you're going away for a weekend or something, or if you just want to try it, see if your hair likes it before going out and buying the full size, these sizes would be all right for that, won't they? But yeah, I went to Ibiza. I literally booked it 2 days before I went with a friend. £280, 4-star bed and breakfast, including flights, everything. I had some money set aside because I always go somewhere with my friend just for a long weekend. We went Friday to Monday, by the way. And yeah, we just booked Ibiza at the last minute. Didn't go to any clubs or anything, but we stayed in Bossa. I'm laughing because, yeah, I didn't realise that there was hardly anyone my age there. It was fine, no, it was fine. Although we were getting bypassed on the beach by people coming round to people sunbathing, you know, asking if they want to sign up for a beach party or a hotel party. Yeah, we get bypassed every time, so stuff them. I don't want to go to a stupid beach party. I've filmed it all. It'll be going up on my Claire Goes Where, my other YouTube page soon. But anyway, back to the unboxing. We've got a lip liner here. And I didn't read the brand because I'm incapable of talking and concentrating and reading. Appeel. I haven't heard of this brand before. Or is it Exposed? No, I think the brand is Appeel. The shade is Exposed. It's a gel lip liner. Well, I like the colour there. See, yes, I do really like that. I got a gorgeous Huda Beauty matte lipstick. I don't know what it's called. It's a liquid one. I've got a few of them and that will go perfect with that actually. Yeah, no, that's nice. Let's go lip liner. There we have got by Teeez. It's a mascara. Drama Ultra Volume Mascara. Extreme Volume. Love the packaging, look. It's cool, isn't it? Something new for me. I haven't tried this one. Wow, look. A blobby wand to get right in there at all different lengths of your lashes. Not a great one for my bottom lashes, which are quite non-existent. For them, I need quite a small wand just to be able to get in there and not cause lots of smudging. But that's normal anyway. I sometimes do use two different mascaras for my eyelashes. But yeah, I'll see what that's like on my top lashes. We got an extra item this month. Normally we get 5 products in a glossy box, but this month we got 6. Maybe they class a shampoo and conditioner as one, which is really, really good if that's the case, because it annoys me if I just get a shampoo or just get a conditioner in a beauty box. So yeah, these are probably counted as one, which they should do. We've got here, this is from Baija, Lost Paradise. It's a body scrub with pineapple extract and Brazilian nut oil. So again, another brand that is a bit different. Oh my word. Oh, the smell is really, really nice. It's very perfumey. Sometimes I like the smell of pineapple, but I don't like it overbearing, you know, but this is really nice. This would be a really nice perfume. I know it's a body scrub, but yeah, this would make a really nice perfume if they ever did a perfume. So it's a body scrub. It's Lost Paradise. Yeah, that is gorgeous. I'm going to use that to get off my fake tan that I've got on my arms. You might not be able to see it. It's worse on my feet. I'm not going to show you my feet, but I've literally got white crosses over my feet and the rest is really tanned. Yeah, it looks awful. So these are all the products in this month's glossy box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We started off with a soap from Rituals. This is Ritual of Karma. Then we've got Espa. This is Bergamot and Jasmine shampoo and conditioners. 2 little travel sizes there. Then we got Appeel, a liner in that colour. Or is it Exposed? I think it's called. Yeah, Exposed. Then we've got mascara by Teeez. It's a volume lengthening mascara. And lastly, we've got Baija. This is Lost Paradise. It's a body scrub, which smells really, really gorgeous. Yeah, so we've got 6 items this month. Cost of the box is £13.50. I'll just have a look to see how much it's worth out of curiosity. Sometimes they say on their website. It says that it's worth over £67 this month. Yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you a Glossybox subscriber? Have you received your box yet? What do you think? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I subscribe? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.